Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the door latch on your dishwasher, be sure to turn off the power to the appliance. Open the dishwasher door and use a T15 Torx bit to unthread all of the screws holding the inner and outer door panels together. Separate the panels and detach the old door latch. Disconnect the wire connector. Install the new door latch by first connecting the wire connector. Now align the latch in the inner door panel. Join the inner and outer door panels together and rethread all of the screws to secure. With the repair completed, turn the power back on, and your dishwasher should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.